President Joe Biden approved federal funds that will go toward Florida communities devastated after Hurricane Milton. Here's a look at some of that destruction. This is what Tropicana Stadium in St. Petersburg looks like as of today. Officials confirm at least 17 people are dead as a result of the storm. Crews are working to get the power back up across the state, but nearly 2 million people are still in the dark. However, officials say all major highways and bridges in the Tampa Bay area have reopened. Florida Governor Ron DeSantis held a press conference saying the disaster relief funds will help push out resources to local communities.
Yesterday, the state of Florida submitted our post-landfall major disaster declaration to unlock additional resources for the state. And this morning, we got that approved by the President of the United States, and we have been granted individual assistance, which is individual and households, and public assistance, which is emergency work and repair and replacement of disaster damaged facilities for 34 impacted counties.
According to Gas Buddy, nearly 30% of Florida's gas stations have reportedly been out of fuel.